What is the purpose of set? By using set, we can copy our data set from one data set to another data set. Okay, just for copying purpose from one data set to another data set. So we can create the new data set, or we can copy. Okay, we can copy from one data set to another data set. That purpose will be used the set statement only. Okay, nothing but in our Word document, Control A, Control C, Control V, copy and paste. That's all. So, but here I will write a syntax here. What is set statement syntax? Data new data set name semicolon set existing data set. Existing data set. So you can see here I am copying from my existing data set to new data set. Okay. Existing data set is nothing but whatever data set is available in your work library, that is an existing data set. What is my point here? So here, how many data sets I am creating at a time by using set statement? As per my syntax, I am copying from one data set to one to one. But we can copy one to many also. Many means at a time we can create more than one data set also. New data set name 1, new data set name 2, new data set name 3. Set existing data set. Existing data set 1. So now you can see here. I am copying from my existing data set to new data set only. Here how many data sets I am creating? 3 data sets only. By using set statement, we can copy from one data set to one data set or one data set to many data sets also. Okay. So I will show you how to do that. I have opened my editor window. Now here data. My data set name is AB, input, ID, age, salary, parts, 101, 11, 11,000, 102, 12, 12,000. Run it. Plot print data is equal. My data set name is AB, then run it. So when I am submitting this one, we can see it 3 variables and 2 observations in my output window. This is a, you can see page number. My page number is a 1 only. 3 variables and 2 observation. What is my data set name here? AB. This AB data set is available in my which library? Work library. Open your work library. AB data set is available in your work library. This is a existing data set only. Nothing but old data set. Your wish. Now by using this AB data set, I want to create one more data set only. So that purpose will be use the set statement. As per my syntax, see my syntax only data new data set name set existing data set. So here my new data set name is a AC set existing data set. What is my existing data set? AB. So run it. If I am printing AC data set, how many variables, how many observations we can see it in my output window?
3 variables and 2 observations.
2 observations only. 3 variables and 2 observations we have printed only. Clear my point? Here I have created only one data set only. Now here data AB, AE, AM. Set AB. Here how many data sets I am creating at a time? 3. So I am copying from AB to AD, AB to AE, AB to AM. What is my point? So at a time I am creating 3 data sets by using one data set only. My source data set, input data set name is AB. Output data sets are 3 data sets. So yes, in my single data step, okay, by using set statement, we can create one data set or more than one data set. Okay, note, by using, okay, in single data step, we can create the many data sets in single data step only, in single data step. So this is the only one data step here. My data step started here, ended here. So inside this single data step, I am creating many data sets only. But printing purpose, at a time, we can print the single data set only. While printing, at a time we can print the single data set. So I want to print these 3 data sets only. Then how many proc steps required totally? 3 proc steps. Okay. If anybody using proc print data is equal AD, AE, AF run it. So it throw error. Okay. So please go for mute somebody, especially Jyotika. Please mute.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So here, if anybody any doubt, you can unmute and you can ask me. So here I am submitting which step, data step or proc step. I have selected which step, data step, data step. So in my work library, AB, AC is available. Now I am submitting data step only. You can see AD, AE, AF. So when I open my log